Hi, L lovers! Good day, good scent. This is V, and let me share to you the top 5 important things you need to consider in purchasing a perfume. Number 1 that you have to consider is the authenticity of the item. You have to make sure that you are buying an original perfume. Iwasan ang mga katagang replica, Class A, at oil-based. Para ikaw ay makasigurado, ugaliing mag-background check sa seller or kung saan ka man bibili. Bigyan mo ng saysay ang pinagpaguran mong pera. Remember, L lovers, if it's too good to be true for the price, most probably, it's not true. The second thing that you have to consider, syempre, ang iyong budget. Know that original perfumes come in different prices. We have the affordable designer brands. We also have the mid-range perfumes. And there are high-end luxury perfumes. And of course, the niche brands. Remember, L lovers, meron at meron tutugma na pabango para sa'yo, according to your budget. All you have to do is explore the perfumes. Third on our list, your preference. Dito na papasok ang iyong personality, profession, and purpose in using a perfume. Ikaw ba ay may strong personality and confident? Then you can go with strong perfumes such as Black Opium, DNG The One for Men, depende sa'yo. Profession, ikaw ba ay nasa office or madalas nasa field? Pag nasa field, recommended natin mga light, fresh perfumes. And of course, the purpose ng pabango. Kung intended mo ba ito for nightclub or dating. Fragrance is deeply personal. At the end of the day, your preference matters. And the fourth thing you need to consider, your body chemistry. Alam mo ba na ang pabango ay nakadepende sa iyong body chemistry? Depende kung acidic ka o kung gaano kataas ang alkaline level ng katawan mo. Hindi dahil mabango sa iba tulad sa nanay mo o sa kapatid mo ay ibig sabihin ganun din kabango sa'yo. It is best recommended na matry mo sa iyong skin para malaman mo kung paano magpa-perform mula sa longevity, sillage at projection ang iyong pabango. L lovers, try niyong hanapin ang perfect na pabango sa body chemistry mo para masulit mo ito. Last but not the least, you may want to consider your age and your gender preference. Alam naman nating lahat na ang pabango ay walang pinipiling edad at gender. Ngunit, napaka-importante din na malaman kung okay din ba siya talaga sa edad mo. Katulad na lamang ng Dior Diorissimo. Never ko itong i-recommend sa teenager. It's more of 40s to senior citizen. At tama naman talaga, walang pinipiling gender ang pabango. Pero advice pa rin na malaman mo kung ang binibili mo ay panglalaki, pangbabae, or unisex. Para hindi na rin masayang ang pera mo. That's it for today, L lovers! Hoping na nakapag-take down notes kayo para masulit ninyo ang susunod na pabango na bibilhin ninyo. Again, this is V. Good day, good scent. See you on our next video.